Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a Marshall Islands $5 coin from 1988 that has the Space Shuttle Discovery on it. It's in uncirculated condition. Cost $6.70. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay, they taped it to the invoice. Lovely. Oh. Great, I cannot get it. Don't know why you would tape the package to the invoice. This is just dumb. There it is. Okay, this is 1988 commemorative issue for the U.S. Space Shuttle Discovery. On the reverse there we have the Space Shuttle taking off with smoke, 11 rays behind with 7 stars on the left. The value on the right superimposed with the 5 numeral and the date on the side. This is a Marshall Islands $5 US coin. It's a non-circulating coin, just a commemorative issue. It is a copper nickel coin. It is 38.8 millimeters in diameter, a weight of 29.5 grams, a thickness of 3 millimeters, which is pretty thick, a reeded edge, and this is the obverse. It has the Marshall Islands national arms, the denomination to the left and the date to the right. There's $5 right there in 1988, and it has the Republic of the Marshall Islands written on it, and it has their national motto, Japilapin Ke Jukan, which means accomplishment through joint effort. It's overall a really nice coin. I really purchased it because it was space themed and had the space shuttle on it. It's a very nice commemorative coin. And it's worth a little bit more than what I paid for it. And I'll throw that up on the screen there. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And leave me a comment in the comments down below. Tell me what you think of this video. Tell me what you think of this coin. And as always, thank you for watching, viewers. Good night.